In the electronics manufacturing industry, how can high-speed and precise defect detection be achieved? Seamark AXI9000, a high-speed CT 3D X-ray automatic inspection equipment, redefines quality inspection standards with its revolutionary 3D CT detection technology, equipped with innovative self-developed intelligent inspection software. It can complete inspections in as fast as 2 seconds, easily meeting the precise inspection needs of various components, such as BGA, POP, LGA, QFP, etc. Its unique linear motor 3-layer gantry structure, combined with optical scale positioning, enables high-speed and precise CT scanning, coupled with high-definition imaging. It makes defects such as missing parts, misalignment, bridging, open solder joints, insufficient solder, and air bubbles nowhere to hide. It has obtained the National Radiation Safety License and, after being tested by multiple third-party agencies, the radiation dose is found to be lower than the national standard, ensuring safety and reliability. Seamark AXI9000, empowering intelligent manufacturing with cutting-edge technology and safeguarding product quality.